Hello people, so today we will be solving LeetCode daily question, that is 2406, and today my energy is pretty much low, so we'll just wrap up this video quickly and without wasting any time let's just dive into the video. In this we need to divide intervals into minimum number of groups, and in this we'll be given a two integer array intervals where intervals of I is equal to left I and right I represent an inclusive interval of left and right, and we have to divide the intervals into one or more groups such that each interval is in exactly one group and no two intervals that are in the same group intersect each other, and we have to return the minimum number of groups that we need to make. And two intervals intersect if there is at least one common intervals between them. For example, the intervals 1 to 5 and 5 to 8 intersect. Okay, so for example 1, we're having intervals as 5 10 6 8 1 5 2 3 and 1 10, so we can divide these intervals in like groups of 1 to 5 and then 6 to 8, 2 3 then 5 to 10 and 1 to 10 as an individual interval, so we'll be having a total of three groups. So basically we need to find the maximum number of intervals which overlap, so that will be our answer. That's pretty much straightforward for this question. Okay, so let's have a list of integer array. Let's call it int let's call it list only, so that is equal to a new array list, and this will be storing all the events which are occurring. Will be marking the start event as +1 and the ending event as -1. Okay, so for interval in intervals, what we'll be doing is we'll be marking in the list, we'll be updating list dot add new int of interval 0 comma 1 and interval 1 with the value of -1, basically telling that it is an ending interval. Okay, now let's just sort this list. So list dot sort, and we'll be sorting this on the basis of uh, their starting or ending event. So if we'll be checking that if it's like the both the starting time of both the intervals are same. Okay, so we need to sort it on the basis of like which type it is. Okay, so return a0 minus b0, else, oh sorry, in this case we need to do it with a1 minus b1, else we need to sort them on the basis of their time basically. Okay, so return a0 minus b0. Okay, now let's have a variable answer which is equal to 0 and the streak, or let's say the current variable which is also equal to 0. Okay, so we'll be updating that for int event in events. What I'll be doing is I'll be updating my current event as plus equal to event of 1, and then I'll be updating my answer as the maximum of current answer and current, and at the end I'll just return answer. And now let's give it a run. Okay, and now let's run it again, obviously, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. Okay, so it failed on some of the test cases. 1 and still here let's do a integer dot compare a1 comma b1. Now let's submit it. Still I guess then there's issues. The code, okay, here I need to store +1, not to mark them exclusive. Here it will be just, now let's, yeah, it will get accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine as well. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.